Have you ever paused to ponder what the difference between kinetic and potential energy is? You may have heard these terms thrown around in a science class or perhaps in a conversation about physics, but what exactly do they mean? And more importantly, how do they influence our everyday lives? Imagine you're holding a ball at the top of a hill. At this moment, the ball is teeming with potential energy. This is the energy that an object possesses due to its position in relation to other objects, stresses within itself, its electric charge, or other factors. Here, the ball's potential energy comes from its elevated position, which gives it the potential to roll down the hill. Now release the ball. As it starts rolling down the hill, the potential energy it had at the top is gradually transformed into kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy an object possesses due to its motion. The faster the ball rolls, the more kinetic energy it accumulates. Remember that ball on the hill? It's a perfect example of the interplay between potential and kinetic energy. At the top of the hill, the ball had maximum potential energy and zero kinetic energy. As it rolled down, it started losing potential energy, but gaining kinetic energy. Halfway down the hill, it had equal amounts of potential and kinetic energy. When it reached the bottom, it had maximum kinetic energy and zero potential energy. This isn't only about balls rolling down hills, though. The same principles apply to a wide range of scenarios. Consider a cyclist pedaling up a hill, a diver poised on the edge of a diving board, or even a stretched rubber band. All these objects have potential energy that can be converted into kinetic energy. To sum things up, potential energy is the energy an object has because of its position or state, while kinetic energy is the energy an object has due to its motion. The two are interconvertible and the total energy of a system always remains constant. This is known as the law of conservation of energy. So, the next time you see a ball rolling down a hill, or anything moving for that matter, remember this dance between potential and kinetic energy. It's not just a fundamental concept in physics, it's a principle that governs the world around us.